you start the project, you initiate it, you upload the contents that you want to distribute out to that user, that ADR studio. You package that up. They get access to it via our software that we built. It runs. We have SDKs, but we have a desktop that runs on Windows, Mac. We can do the same thing on iOS and Android. They can access that content based on your explicit permissions. The beauty of it is it's encrypted end-to-end, public-private keys, very secure. We can get into the actual type of encryption that we use, but highly secure. Every piece of it is actually encrypted. They can then process it. They can take that content out, publish it into their systems, do the ADR work, and then take the new content and actually upload that back into the system. It's all encrypted end-to-end both ways. The studio gets notification, hey, they've uploaded the new content. Oh, and by the way, here's exactly what happened when they've removed the system, so you can actually track when they removed the files, when they've downloaded the files, when they've viewed the files, when they've exported the files, all this work that they've done, all without having someone there and seeing it. They can upload any type of file. They can download any type of file. We have no restriction on file size or file type, meaning you can do a lot of different workflows with this. So it's encrypted both ends. We're tracking all that workflow, and then being able to create reports. Again, being able to send this at the end of the project going, here are the exact touches that you did with this file, and by the way, none of this is known by any of the users. It's happening in the background while you're doing the work that you need to do anyways.
Yeah, as Charles mentioned, we can give a receipt back to the studio and say, thank you very much. Here's all the things that happened if that's something that the studio wants to do.
It is.
Which is really great, right? Because it also, I think, adds a level of reputational credibility to the studio, saying, hey, this is when we give this stuff to you, like we're watching, and it's really important, and here's what happened, right? And so there's a level of accountability that's implied that in many respects, and even in the financial services side, that when you think about watermarking and what watermarking is doing, we're actually showing that watermarking as a function of actually what's been touched, right? Which is, I think, the next level. It's different, but there are some similarities there as well.